Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a song in Udio AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first step is to open up your web browser and go to udio.com. Now from here we've got two options, either sign in or sign up. So we want to go ahead and either click one of these. So I'm just going to sign up with my Google account. So sign up for free to continue. So I can continue with Google, Discord, X, Apple, or your email. I'm just going to choose my Google account here. So I'm just going to click on Tutorial Wiz and then click continue, and that's going to redirect us back. So basically it's going to sign us in and sign us up at the same time. Now from here I want to go ahead and create my profile for the first time. So I'm just going to get rid of this username here. Well, it looks like I can't create my own. I'm just going to refresh. I'm sure I can change this later. So I'm just going to keep that. I agree, etc. Accept all. Now from here, this is where the fun begins. So we can go ahead and describe our song. So go ahead and put in your song description here. We do have the option to upload audio, and we can use a style if we like as well. So I'm just going to describe my song. So here's the description of a song: a melodic, emotional driven song that blends modern production with heartfelt vocals. The track explores themes of love, self-reflection, late night thoughts. So what I need to do here from here, I want to go ahead, I can enable voice control, but I need to upgrade the standard to do that. Now we can write your lyrics. We can change this so you can auto generate if you want, or you leave that blank. So I'm going to go ahead and click on auto generate for this, or we can do custom. So we can we've got the lyric editor here, or we've got instrumental. So if you just want instrumental, but what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on auto generate. Now we can add this to our folder. You can go ahead and create a folder if you want, and we also got some advanced controls here where we can play around with the model, the length, the song length, the BPM, and the clip trimming, clip timing if you want. Got style reduction, so you can play around with all these settings. So from here I'm just going to go ahead and click on create. Now this is going to go ahead and create my song, and it's going to appear on the right. So let's give that a few moments to create that song. So it's going to give the song a name too, so it's going to create two songs. So we are the Echoes pop, introspective and longing, and also where the stars align. This is pop, indie pop, and alternative rock. So if I want to go ahead and press play, I can. So yeah, as you can see, it's got the player down below here. So I'll press play. It's just going to take a little bit of time to play this song. It shouldn't take too long. Now if it doesn't play straight away, you can see it is loading. So I'm going to go ahead and hit play again. So as you can see, it's playing. Now if we want to go ahead and extend that song, because this song is at 2 minutes 10, we can go ahead and click on extend if you want to do that. Now that's going to extend after section, then hit extend. Now it's going to remake that song, two different versions of it. Now if you want to go ahead and click on the three dots, we can go ahead and click on create. We can start a section, extend it, remix, or copy prompt. We can choose the style, use song as a style, voice, and that. Now on the left hand side we've got different tabs. So if we want to go ahead and look at our library, we can do so by clicking onto library. Now as you can see, those two songs, so I just extended them. Now if I want to go ahead and download, you can go ahead and click onto it, and we can go ahead and share this song, share to, publish, or generate video if you want. We can move this song to a folder, add to playlist. We can delete the song if you no longer want that in your list. Now I used to be able to download songs here by clicking onto the three dots, and there's an option to download. But what happened, so as of later 2025, official downloading of AI generated tracks on Udio has been disabled, basically to a legal settlement with UMG, so Universal Music Group. So while users can still create and listen to music on the platform, they can no longer take those files off the site for personal or commercial use through official buttons.